It is important that we, in fact, the president and the vice president, we set the pattern by wearing masks. And I think my inclination, Jake, is on the first day I'm inaugurated to say I'm going to ask the public for 100 days to mask. Just 100 days to mask. Not forever, 100 days. And I think we'll see a significant reduction if we occur that, if that occurs with vaccinations and masking to drive down the numbers considerably.
President-elect Joe Biden telling CNN last night he will ask everyone to wear a mask for 100 days, perhaps starting on the day he is sworn in. Meantime, more talk this morning about another round of financial relief. CBS 4's Skylar Henry has the latest.
Thank you.
President Trump says he believes Congress can pass an emergency coronavirus relief package put forward by Senator Mitch McConnell.
I think they're getting very close, and I want it to happen, and I believe that they're getting very close to a deal. Yeah.
The majority leader says the $500 billion proposal was kept small in order to win the president's support. Democrats say the proposal doesn't go far enough.
He now says that an emergency relief bill should be limited by only what President Trump will sign. Of course, we could say similarly, the bill should be limited only by what a Democratic House will pass. Neither is true compromise.
President-elect Joe Biden says he supports the larger $908 billion bipartisan plan introduced this week as the first step in providing relief for Americans.
We need relief now. So I've been urging our congressional Republicans to work on a bipartisan emergency package now.
Biden told CNN he met virtually with Dr. Anthony Fauci Thursday and that they discussed the vaccine and Fauci's future role with the White House.
I asked him to stay on in the exact same role he's had for the past several presidents, and I asked him to be a chief medical advisor for me as well and be part of the COVID team. And so what has to be done is we have to make it clear to the American people that the vaccine is safe when it occurred, when that is determined.
Biden also said when he takes office, he will ask the public to wear masks for 100 days to reduce the spread of COVID. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Wilmington, Delaware.